What's good, guys? It's your boy Dom, and right now you can tell I'm pretty tired. Well, this is the time. Don't know if you can see that. 7:17. We're getting picked up at like 8 o'clock. See, the sun's not even out properly yet. Focus a little bit. You can't hear any road noise, nothing. So I'm gonna try and wake Lee up now, get ready. Facebook buzzing and everything in the background. Try and get ready, and then our tour bus will come up like 40 minutes. So peace. Yo, while waiting for the tour fucking minibus thing, we found a little friend for Lee. What's he doing? I think Lee must have farted and scared it away. Yo, so we just got on the boat, waiting to go. It looks like we're on the Korean special right now. We got Koreans, 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 Koreans. Huh? Korean, 2 Korean, 3 Korean, 4, 5 Korean, Muslim, Korean, Muslim. Dude behind me, he's splashing me with his canoe and getting fucking soaked. More canoers, let's go find some money. Let's go in the caves. We got over there. Got a guy using his hand over here. Oh, the other bird's really paddling for him. I'm pretty sure that's the sketchy cave that we're just about to go into. So we'll see if we find anything cool in there. We got some people risking paddling themselves, but that's not for me. I paid for this trip. I'm not paddling anything. Check it out. Going in the cave. So the guys are like headset, like have torches on their heads and everything. In fact, it's gonna get real dark. Better not get pooped on by anything, Lee. You can actually see more with the camera than you can without. Look, Lee, check out that. You can see the distance further than you can without. What's this? Oh, we've stopped. Some that was just Lee, photobombing himself. You see the outside of it? We've got everyone with the lights on. I am still alive, you probably can't tell, but I'm still alive. Just. To be honest, it could be like a go-go bar in here, just with less flashing lights. Somebody just threw like a flashbang in the water or something. We got random passengers near us. How about that steamed up? Not bad. in a boat together, topless. It's a little homo. I can't deny that. So for all you guys back home, I know it's a day late, but happy Valentine's Day. Without all these like torchlights, it would be pitch black. Bats. Oh yeah, you can see him hanging. I don't know if you guys can see that. We've got some bats up there, all flying around and everything. Probably gonna poop on me. Finally out. I can't tell if we just went in a big circle. So I think there's only one entrance, one exit. Freedom! Oh. Those Titanic moments. He wants me to come behind him, but I'm not that homo. I'm not doing that shit. So he's on his own there. I just found one of the members of the Jackson 5. There we go. It's Tito over there.
Okay, we've just got arrived at another island now. Dom's opted not to join me on this occasion. He's just staying on the boat sunbathing. So riding solo. Relaxing, all on the own, just with the old canoeist himself. Wow. Some good techers. Yeah, getting away around here if you can get around without touching the sides. Absolutely beautiful.
All the food's come. I thought Lee was going straight for the food, but he was just getting the bag. So we'll get some goodies. See some fried rice, noodles, fried chicken, fried fish. Well, I've taken you out of the cases so you can probably hear me better. Now you can see like a fuck ton of Asians just everywhere. One in front is a bit of a cunt as well. Some sort of fucking hole, cave. I'm gonna check it out. It's got something on the wall. No idea what. Just have a quick look. So here it is. I'm blocking the microphone a little, but yeah, here's the view. I am in the water just slightly. It is cold. I've not got you in the waterproof camera case, so I don't really want to go too far. I think it's like steamed up a little. So I just thought I'd get you guys some of the view. Some pretty crazy rocks. To me they're just all rocks, so I'm not really that fussed. It's just a rock, big rock, running in some water. Lee's looking well impressed. He's just, you know, I think he's getting his camera out. We've got some people jumping off cliffs over there or whatever. I say cliff, loosely. Right now we're swimming. Lee's in the life vest. I don't know how bad you can see this. I'm suffering because I'm not so much drown. And this is where we're headed. It was a man overboard situation. It was every man for himself. Going under. You got Lee struggling coming out now, even though he had the life vest on. Did you nearly drown, mate? You nearly drowned. Only one guy's made it up here so far. The same guy twice. No. See that. So we're heading back to Phuket now. Hopefully got a bit more of a tan. Don't look too burnt, I don't think. Lee doesn't. We had a bit of a swim. You can see the island we were just at. And my waterproof camera case came in pretty handy. I mean, didn't let any water in. I'm sorry if the footage kind of got a little foggy. There's nothing I can really do. But I hope you guys enjoyed.